Miss Wilson here, and Maggie. Maggie, say hi. Anyways, for the next few weeks, we are going to be doing online schooling, and in order to do that, we're going to be using something called Microsoft Teams, and that is an app that is in your Office 365 account. And if you are like me and have no idea how to use it, that is okay. I didn't know, and then I figured some things out, and I wanted to make this video and share with you all what I learned, so then you know what to expect and you know where to find stuff. So, if you will follow along with me real quick, hopefully you can see my screen. When you log into Microsoft Teams through your Office 365 account, one of these guys should pop up in your Teams. If you're in my homeroom, you'll see this guy. If you're in Miss Vandermeulen's homeroom, you'll see this guy. Click on it when you see it. So I'll click on Miss Vandermeulen's homeroom. It should bring you to this general page. These over here are called channels. This is the general channel. And anytime you're here, it will show you updates. So for example, it looks like Miss Vandermeulen uploaded an assignment about Minoan and Mycenaean civilizations. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, that's where you can find that. Over here, there are channels for all of the different subject areas that we have. Anytime that Miss Vandermeulen or I want to upload a file or a link to something, we'll save it over here. So for example, I think Miss Vandermeulen uploaded a reading that she wants you to do. So if you click on the Social Studies channel and then go to File, you'll find that reading there. She's also going to send you a link to that same file when she makes the assignment. So this is just a way to go back to it if you ever need to. But a lot of what we're going to be doing will take place in the General channel. And more importantly, you will find everything that you need to do in this Assignments tab right up here. So when you go into the General channel, if you click on the Assignments, oh, hi Miss Vandermeulen. You click on the Assignments, all of your assignments will be listed here. Okay, you'll notice there's a title, when it's due, and what subject it is. There's a little tag next to it. You'll see what you need to do. So I'll just click on one so you know what it looks like. You can see student view. So when you click on it, you should see something that looks like this. So you have your title, the subject area, when it's due, and then the instructions are listed below. So this is one of the assignments that I'm having you do for math. We're going to be using something called MobyMax, which is an online platform, so you can keep up with your math that you've already learned how to do. So this is just a way to explore it. So you would follow those instructions, and then anytime we need you to do something else, say we want you to watch a video, or we need you to answer a few questions, or post to a discussion board, whatever it is, we'll create a link for it right below, which you'll see right here. So for example, I have a scavenger hunt that I'm having you do with MobyMax, and then there's a couple of questions I need you to answer. So once you go through MobyMax, do the scavenger hunt, then you would answer these questions. You can do it just by clicking on the link, and then fill out the questions, and then you would submit it. And that will bring you back to where you need to be. Okay, so like I said, if you ever have anything that we need you to do, just click on whatever link we attach to it, and we'll also try and make that available in the tabs over here. But this is where you'll find it. This is where you need to be most of the time. Now, if you have any questions for us at any time, if you need to get a hold of us, the best way to do that is either by emailing us, or if you want to chat with us, we will try and be here as often as we can. If you click on this little chat bubble over here, and then if you want to start a new conversation, you can do that right up here where it says new chat. As you can see, I'm having a conversation with Miss Vandermeulen right now. Now, if you ever want to call us or even video call us, let's say you get stuck on a math problem and you need me to show you how to do it, if you click on this little video call icon, you can do that. So let's say I call Miss Vandermeulen. Let's see if she answers. I guess she doesn't want to talk. So, I guess we'll talk to Miss Vandermeulen later. But anyways, if you ever want to get a hold of us that way, video calling, we'll set up office hours so you know when we'll be available. But you can always message us here or email us and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So, I think that's all I have for you for right now. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and we'll go from there. Anyways, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye.